Our story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, power seat dual, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.